Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about things to do in British Columbia, so make sure to watch the full video. Explore the Royal BC Museum. Founded in 1886, the Royal British Columbia Museum is a great place to learn about BC's natural and human history. There are 3 permanent galleries inside, including Natural History, Becoming BC, and the First Peoples Gallery. The Natural History collection alone has more than 750,000 records of specimens that are almost exclusively from the province. You can also watch educational films and commercial films at the IMAX Victoria Theatre, and it's conveniently located within walking distance from the Inner Harbor. Take a Victoria food tour. If you're looking for a combination of food and history while walking around the beautiful city of Victoria, we highly recommend taking a Taste of Victoria food tour. While the food was delicious, we equally loved learning about the history of Canada's oldest Chinatown, as well as the many buildings while strolling around with our friendly guide. Craig Darragh Castle. Craig Darragh Castle is a definitively Victorian experience. It is a shining example of a bonanza castle. Massive houses built for entrepreneurs who became wealthy during the Industrial Age. This legendary Victorian mansion has 4 floors of exquisitely stained glass windows, intricate woodwork, and fabulous Victorian-era furnishings. Visit Fishermans Wharf. This not-so-hidden treasure is a great place to eat food, shop at unique stores, and go on eco-tours. This place was busy with people eating fresh seafood when we visited, but our favorite part was touring the floating homes and just imagining what it would be like to live in his spectacular location. Wild Renfrew. Within easy reach of Victoria, Port Renfrew is welcoming, affordable, and incredibly wild. Here you can go hiking on some of Canada's most famous hikes, visit numerous beaches, go whale watching, and so much more. Best of all, it's home to the Wild Renfrew Seaside Cottages, which are rustically beautiful and open up to amazing views of the rugged coastline. There's nothing quite like waking up, walking into the living room, and looking out at the sea. Orcas Spirit Adventures. Known worldwide for its whale watching and marine wildlife viewing opportunities, the small village of Port Renfrew is perfectly placed for ecotourism at the junction of the famous West Coast and Juan de Fuca trails. While wildlife is never guaranteed, we had the best whale-watching tour of our lives here. We saw dozens of orcas and dozens of humpbacks, all in the span of a couple of hours. In fact, the humpbacks came so close to the boat that we even got sprayed by their blowhole. This company also operated out of Victoria, BC, but there are many other whale-watching tours as well. Glamping at Browns Bay Resort. Outdoor enthusiasts can try a new way of camping. There are 2 different types of glamping tents available for individuals looking to relax in the campground. We stayed in a deluxe, luxury oceanfront tent, which was fully equipped with everything we needed. Our bathroom made us feel like we were in a 4-star hotel. Their cliffside tents, on the other hand, are for individuals looking for a more rustic camping experience. These tents only come with power but have easy access to a nearby shared bathroom and shower building. There's a variety of options for waking up to Seaview vistas, and you're only 20 minutes from Campbell River. Eagle Eye Adventures Grizzly Bear Tour. With a 99.9% success rate, it's safe to say you'll see some wildlife with Eagle Eye Adventures. Not only did we see humpback whales and orcas, but we also joined them for a day of grizzly bear watching. It was such an incredible experience to see grizzly bears up close, eating salmon in the streams. They even have hydrophones, so you can listen to the whales communicating under the water. Whether we were eyeing bears, whales, or eagles, this was truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Snorkeling with salmon. Totally unique to the Campbell River area is the chance to go snorkeling with salmon. You can do this in a nearby canyon, swimming above tens of thousands of them, or you can be more adventurous and go for a fun float down the Campbell River, flowing up and over rocks and by hundreds of big salmon. A very cool experience, which can be done by tour or by renting your own gear and going alone. We decided to rent our own gear from Beaver Aquatics, which was much cheaper to do. However, if you don't have a car, this may not be an option. Elk Falls Provincial Park. If you're around the town of Campbell River, we highly recommend a trip to Elk Falls Provincial Park, even if just for a short hike into the impressive 25-meter, 89-foot waterfall. However, there's also camping, salmon fishing, and a variety of hiking trails. In addition to the powerful waterfall, there's also a suspension bridge surrounded by an old-growth forest, perfect for both the young and old. The hike to the falls is only about 30 minutes or less. Wild Play in Nanaimo. If you're looking for a thrill, go to Wild Play in Nanaimo. Not only is there a 150-foot bungee jump, but there are also zip lines, adventure courses, and a 140 kilometers / a Primal Swing. This is the ultimate place to test your fears. I was so thrilled to find a bungee jump in Canada that's done by the ankles. Despite it being my 6th time jumping off a bridge, it was no less scary. It's the real deal and so much fun. Great for kids and adults. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.